delicious drinks. Anyways, it's time to spill the tea on this autumn update. Here we are in the News Cafe, which is actually located over here, and it's so beautiful. It's so cute. Yes, yummy indeed, Lauren. Lauren is actually one of my online friends, and she's one of my first subscribers. So thank you for joining me today, Lauren. Okay, so we have this new autumn update. The dock has not changed. The tower, I don't think, has changed. There's pumpkins. Oh my gosh, the diamonds are spiders, and there are trucks here with pillows in them. Oh my gosh, so comfy. Oh my gosh, do you see the fountain right here? It has a witch hat. I'm actually really excited for all of the Halloween items to come out because I really, really want. How could this happen to me? Anyways, I'm sorry about that. A different friend is calling me, so I'll have to answer him. This is a pumpkin carriage. Come on, Lauren, let's go and see if Royal High is any different right now. Big oof. Big oof. Anyways, come on, Lauren, to the pumpkin carriage. Ugh. I guess we're going to have to take some time and help my friend out. Much oof. Much oof indeed. I'm actually gonna get a... No. Um, big oof. Okay, so over here, go to Royal High, click on servers, and then join. Okay? No, making a video. XP. Okay, let's go. And I'm in. I'm in. Oh, no, 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 no. My friend joined. Hehe. Oh, anyways, let's go in the carriage. Inside of the carriage. I need to sit. Help, help, help. I need to sit. I need to sit. I need to sit. I need to sit. Oof. Has Royal High changed? Oh, it's rather old. Man. Oh, well, I'm here. I'm gonna go ahead and... Shoosh, Richard. Shoosh. Okay, time to collect all of the diamonds. Lauren doesn't get any. I'm just joking. Richard, shut up. Play with your friends. XD. Anyways, so we're just gonna go ahead, collect all of the diamonds really quick. Two. Okay, that's kind of weird. Anyways, collect all of the diamonds. Beautiful diamonds. Okay. Well, well, this is all my furries and Visco girls. I'm sorry for such the delay and for no recent videos, but I was busy getting a new screen recorder. So, goodbye.